Level 1. Age 6, the house. Everyone recognizes you are 6 years old. You wake up inside the most famous home on earth. To you, it's not the White House, it's just home. The giant hallways are your playground. The historic rooms are your hiding spots. The portraits on the walls are just old paintings. You race through corridors where presidents once walked. You laugh where history was made. Outside the gates, cameras wait. Inside, you're just a kid. You don't understand why strangers wave at you. You don't understand why your family is always on television. And you definitely don't understand why men in suits follow you everywhere. Because to you, the President of the United States isn't the leader of the free world. He's simply dad, and life feels perfect. Level 2, age 12, the price of protection. As you get older, you start noticing things. The black SUVs, the armored vehicles, the security checkpoints, the agents standing nearby every second of every day. You can't walk to school alone. You can't visit a friend's house without approval. You can't disappear into a crowd. Normal kids have freedom. You have protection. And there is a difference. One afternoon you ask an agent, "Do you ever get tired of following me?" He smiles, then answers quietly, "We're not following you. We're protecting you." You look around, the cameras, the guards, the fences, the protocols. For the first time, you realize that being important and being free are not the same thing. Level 3, age 17. The whole world knows your name. Now you're a teenager, and suddenly, everyone has an opinion about you. One photo goes viral. One mistake becomes national news. One rumor spreads across the internet. Millions of people you've never met discuss your life. Some admire you. Some criticize you. Some blame you for things beyond your control. You try to act normal, but normal is impossible. Every classroom feels different. Every public appearance feels scripted. Every decision feels watched. Because your last name isn't just a name anymore, it's a headline. And whether you want it or not, the spotlight follows you everywhere. Level 4, age 22, behind the curtain of power. Most people see politics on television. You see it from the inside. World leaders walk through your front door. Military commanders arrive with urgent briefings. Crises unfold in real time. Wars, economic disasters, international conflicts, decisions that affect millions. You begin to witness the reality of power, not the speeches, not the applause, not the cameras, the pressure, the responsibility, the sleepless nights, the impossible choices. For the first time, you understand something few people ever will. Power isn't about control, it's about consequences, and every decision has a cost. Level 5, age 30, stepping out of the shadow. For your entire life, people introduced you the same way. The president's son, no matter what you achieved, no matter what you built, no matter who you became, you were always connected to someone else's story, but now, the White House is behind you. The motorcades are gone. The agents have moved on. The presidency has become history. And for the first time in your life, nobody is deciding your future except you. No office, no title, no family legacy. Just your choices, your risks, your dreams, your life. And that is both terrifying and liberating.